I've been attached with the feeling of them waking up with you by my side.
Mainit nga ang pagtanggap sa ating Bel Mariano sa event nito sa Davao ngayong araw, na kung saan ay sobrang pretty nga talaga ng ating Tink. Narito nga guys sa nasabing video na talaga namang pinag-uusapan na sa social media. Sabay-sabay nating panoorin.
Hello Davao! Kamusta po kayo? Mabuti naman? Parang mababa energy. Mabuti naman? Yes! Well, I just want to say thank you. Maraming salamat po to my BDO family. I'm so happy to be a part of this family. So maraming salamat po for the warm welcome. And I think, as a growing adult, as a young adult, it's really important that I stay aware with my finances and to save for my future. And BDO savings really helps me with that. And it's when it comes to payments, convenience, lahat tayo na sa digital age na. I suggest you download the BDO Pay app. I swear everything is very convenient. So for those of you who want to learn more, please feel free to visit our booths. You're gonna learn so much there. So makita-kita po tayo, and later, you guys wanna party ba later? Gusto nyo ba? So magkita-kita po tayo.
Ayon nga sa mga bula, sobrang ganda and blooming niya talaga sa yellow. Dahil kitang-kita naman kung gaano nga talaga kaganda itong ating Bel Mariano. Kaya naman stay tuned lang tayo for more update kay Donnie at Bel sa mga susunod pa na ayuda.